here's a quick look at the truck before with the stock wheels and tires. Okay, we'll give you a quick look. Take off the hood. Okay, that's the truck before. Let's put them on, guys. Alright, guys, and here's the after. I think it looks great. Right off the bat, you might say to yourself, it's just a subtle difference, considering they both had the red beadlocks, but it's actually a big difference. These stock tires just have the appearance of beadlocks. They're not real, and it's just a red plastic ring, and they're a bit cheesy. The tires aren't bad for stock tires, but you can see compared to that, this is a real beadlock. And I like the stainless steel screws. It definitely gives it a lot more of a rugged look compared to this. I didn't really like the chrome in there as well. I didn't really care for that. I wanted to have that black. And I'm actually debating whether or not I should get black screws for this or paint these black. I don't know, guys. Let me know if you prefer them with the stainless steel look or if I paint them black to match the inside. I think that would look cool as well. But I think they look very nice with the stainless steel screws. And it definitely gives the truck a better quality look. Absolutely. I'll show you guys with the hood off. And I just wanted to share this with you guys. It only took me about a half hour to throw them on the beadlock, so I figured I'd throw up a video for you. And here you go. Alright, guys. Stay tuned for my next video, and thanks for watching.